Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. So on this video, we'll be talking about Mpumelelo Mseleku embarrasses his dad at 50th birthday. It all started when young Mnini got too emotional to finish his heartfelt speech. Enter Big Brother Mpumelelo Mseleku, who was supposed to save the moment but ended up embarrassing the entire family. Musa Mseleku's big 50th birthday celebration turned into a reality TV mess, and Mpumelelo was at the center of the drama. Musa Mseleku's Golden Jubilee celebration and said to be a night of joy, elegance, and family love, but instead it became a masterclass in shade, late arrivals, and awkward moments. Of Makumalo and Mangwabe pulled a disappearing act, arriving super late to the event, despite the 5 p.m. start time. In true reality TV style, the wives showed up in the order they entered Mseleku's life, with Mayeni first on time, Macele next, cutting it close, and Makumalo plus Mangwabe rolling in like they were on Africa time. Mangwabe took it to another level by only arriving at 8:45, which is 20:45. Social media wasted no time calling her out, speculating that she has emotional checked out of the marriage. Do you think Mpumelelo was out of line for his speech? Or is he just speaking his truth? Please drop your comment. Thank you very much for watching. That was all until we meet in my next video.